Many times a man is more willing toward that from which harm and damage must come to him than toward his good. And I want to say it for myself, for I myself went and put myself eager into such power from which I now go complaining, which makes me languish and sigh often. And when I think I'm doing well, I get harm from it, and fall back when I think I'm going forward. Her beautiful loving eyes have well betrayed me. In her noble body that knows so well how to adorn itself, her sweet speech with her beautiful welcome, her joyful company, her charming responses. Cursed be the day I saw her great pleasing beauty, from which I thought to have my heart rejoicing. But now I go weeping and sighing, and mercy is of no value to me when I asked for it. I never thought that in any lady could be such great beauty that there would be no mercy to speak of. For the more I cry to her for mercy, she doesn't deign to hear me. Rather, her heart becomes always more prideful, for which my harm keeps growing and growing. And it is 100 times worse for me, so help me God, because of her. For there is nothing of harm in her staying than for the harm I have from it, and for the suffering. The harm I suffer would be beautiful and good to me. Beautiful lady, if only I could bear it. For without suffering no one can enrich himself in any affair that is of value. And what one conquers with great torment, one holds more dearly and more secretly and nobly than what one has completely at one's command. For he spends lightly who lightly gains it. From that, from which I most thought to be joyful, I am most sorrowful and have more worry from it, for which a man should not rejoice too much in joy, nor be too anguished by anger. But I cannot at all be of such sense, for I rejoiced too much at the beginning, lady, for you, but now I go weeping, like a wretched man who doesn't know where he's going. If my songs please my lady, Linhor, I'd be much better off there. For never before will I have good desire for anything, nor can I show the appearance of it, until I have from her what I ask.